Vlog 16, and I've been doing some videos for the Inner Circle contest, your favorite product with the Empower Network contest coming up. So I'm at different places. Today I'm at the beach. I just love the beach, as I told you. It's my place, and even in the wind or if it's raining or whatever, it's a great place to take a nice brisk walk and just see what's going on, you know. Feeling the nature around you is awesome, and that's what I enjoy doing the most. Look at the sand. Oh my gosh, watch the sand. It's like waves of the ocean on the beach. It's fabulous. Woo. Woo. And the sky is gorgeous. I just had to share this with you today. I'll write a little bit more on what I'm doing with my video contest. Looking forward to sending that in. It doesn't matter what it appears to be, it's going to be fun because I'm just going to do it. I love the Inner Circle, so this product is something that I'm actually listening to right now, so it's really distracting me from talking. But I'm listening to Tony Rush's when talking about wealthy versus the average person's mindset, and wow, it is so true. I used to be like that. And I'm sure we're all working towards thinking like the rich, because it's more fun and we can give more when we have more. We can't give anything when we're just surviving. I mean, you're just taking care of yourself. You're not able to share with the world. What else is possible when you have more? I mean, you can help your family, you can help your friends, you can help the world, you could contribute a lot more. So appreciate those rich people and want some of what they have, because that's how you'll get it. And there's nothing evil, wrong, or unspiritual about it. In fact, it's very spiritual to understand the principle of the energy of the money. So hope you're having a great day today. I'm having an awesome day out here. Awesome's a choice, and I choose awesome every day. It's just the funnest thing to do for me. So comment on my blog below. Let me know how you're feeling today and what you're into. What makes you happy? You go to the beach, you run, you go to the gym, you move your body around, you dance. What say you? So I'd love to hear that, and have an awesome day. It's a choice. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.